Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well, and I am Anohita and I post YouTube videos related to makeup and fashion. Today I will be giving you a very simple tutorial, a makeup tutorial for what kind of makeup you should wear to college, or like especially the teenagers, the college going girls, the kind of makeup that looks very glam, rather it looks very natural, like everyday makeup look or no makeup look. So let's not waste time and get into the video. So the first step is to moisturize your face, and for that I'm going with my Urbanbotanics moisturizer. It's a very light moisturizer, and then obviously vitamin C serum. I believe everyday makeup like these kind of college makeup and all should look like more of natural, and I prefer glowy skin. So I'll keep this for 2 minutes, and then the first step is to do my brows. So for brows I go on with the Chubb's International brow pomade. It's very affordable. Now one thing you should keep in mind that always try to enhance your best feature. Like I feel my eyebrows, my eyes are like the best part of my face, so I try to enhance them to the most. Okay, like how I'm doing the eyebrows is to fill in especially in the outer corners, and I totally leave the inner corners of my eyebrows. Like I don't really like to make them much bold or dense. Moving on to a very clear gel just to set my eyebrows so that they are intact. Now for concealer I have two options, that is the Maybelline and the Inside, but today I'm going with the Maybelline one. And yeah, both of them are affordable obviously, but the Inside concealer costs around 110 rupees, which is like really affordable. So I like to carve out my eyebrows a little bit, as I say, just to enhance them and on the regular places. And I also like to spot conceal, like to hide my pigmentation, my acne marks. I prefer blending it out using a concealer brush, and then I even it out using a beauty blender just to like make sure that there's no harsh strokes or lines visible. So after blending out my concealer, I go on with a cream blush. Now as I said, this is a very natural makeup, so this is my tip that you should always go for creme blush, because this will look even more natural and will also add a flush of color to your face. And obviously I like to set my face with the Maybelline Fit Me Compact because I do have oily skin. And obviously highlighter, I really like using highlighters, and this highlighter only costs rupees 99. I like to add some in my brow bone, just the process of enhancement, and on the bridge of my nose, and some on the beauty blender, and to take it on the highest points of my face. Now links for all the products will be in the description box. And then moving on with mascara, I love the Swiss Beauty mascara. I absolutely suggest you guys to get this mascara for yourself. Like this works like magic, and I guess the price is around 189 rupees. Now moving on with lip liner, this is my trick. I like using a lip liner and just using my fingers to like spread it out and like let it be. Or you can also use a gloss. Like nowadays, like I love using lip glosses. So yep, that's it. So this is my final makeup look. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is a very minimal look. absolutely suitable for everyday like college or school, wherever, like especially for us teenagers. You guys soon in my next video, and please do subscribe to my channel.
But I'll try to